In this segment, we'll focus on creating the top part of the bag. Let's grab our yarn and get started. Begin by attaching your yarn to any seam edge at the top of the bag and ensure that it's secure by tying a knot. Chain 1, tie a knot, place a stitch marker to indicate the beginning of the round. This is important as we'll be working in a spiral. Single crochet in each stitch all the way to the other seam edge. Once you reach the seam, crochet 1 single crochet into the seam and then continue to single crochet in each stitch until you reach the stitch marker. At the end of round 1, single crochet 1 into the last stitch, single crochet 1 into the seam, remove the stitch marker, single crochet 1 where the stitch marker was, move the stitch marker up to indicate the beginning of round 2. Work 5 more rounds in single crochet, adjusting the stitch marker as needed. End of round 2, remove the stitch marker, single crochet where the stitch marker was, move the stitch marker up to indicate the beginning of round 3. At the end of round 6, remove the stitch marker, skip 1 stitch, double crochet 5 into the next stitch, skip 1 stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, skip 1 stitch, double crochet 5 into the next stitch, skip the next stitch, single crochet into the next. Repeat this sequence to the end of the round. To complete the round, slip stitch into this single, chain 1, cut the yarn, and weave in loose ends.